Hey everyone, Barry Johnson of Keysight Technologies. Welcome back to the channel and welcome back to tutorial 4. Today, we're going to go back over variables, but what will be different is we're going to get user input and then possibly manipulate these variables because of this input. So with that, let's get in this piece. If we were using YouTube or Twitch or ever been in a live stream and seen a chat go back and forth, even if we haven't participated, we see that there's prompts and inputs. So something appears on the screen from one user, then another user reacts. We've learned prompting. Now we're going to use this chatbot program to kind of reinforce what we're learning as far as inputs. So let's start this. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to build our prompt. I'm just going to quickly write I'm going to add a symbol here. And then I'm going to add the input. Let's first, the variable we're going to feed the input. I'll just call it chat. So chat is equal to input and let's run this. I see I have active chat and then I can start typing. Hello, everyone. Now it exited because there's nothing that comes after chat input. But one thing I want to point out is the active chat and the prompt was not on the same line. That's because the print function has a end of line character. I want to disable that because when we're involved in the chat, we see the prompt is that's what we think we're supposed to be typing, correct? To disable that is I just go here and I go comma end equals, and we'll just have nothing be the parameter pass for that end of line. So now if I hit play, now I see it's on that line. So I can just type in hello, everyone again. It exits. Our chatbot, one of the common things I could say in our that could be happening in our chatbot would be look for all uppercase. Like that could, on internet terms, that could prompt that someone is screaming, even if it's a benign statement. I could do this. Print chat, and if I hit this and type in is upper, that variable is a chat, but I also have some string commands because I'm inputting the string that I can say if everything is capitalized that follows and it's equal to true, let me know that it is equal to true because then I could process it further. So let's just check that right now. I'll just put in, again, a benign statement. Hey, everybody. And let's hit enter. I got true. So in future tutorials, I'm going to show you how to write statements that are depending on certain statements that will keep the active chat open, but it will, warn the user and then possibly ban the user. All right. So another thing we can do is there could be potentially characters that are bad. If I come here and let's go ahead and comment this out, I'm just going to put a hashtag, and that means comment a single line. And these quotes here, these 3 quotes, means I could put in as many lines as I want. And once I have reached the second set of triple quotes, that triple double quotes, that is the end of the comment section. I just go here and I say print chat is equal to, let's say, we'll just put in ban for ban, but we know there's other choice words that we can use. And then that should return a true if I put in ban. Let's go execute this, and I will type in a lowercase ban like it's written, and I get true. This was a quick and easy tutorial, and in the next setups, I'll teach us how to keep the chat going. So it's a perpetual chat like we're used to seeing online, and then we can add multiple modifiers or what have you to possibly ban. Again, that will take place over the next couple of tutorials. Again, I hope this is helpful, and I hope people are starting to see that Python or language learning is not something that is trivial, but at the same time, it doesn't have to be hard. I hope to see everyone next time.